All right, guys. I'm just jumping on here for a little bit more. I'm kind of watching to see how the stocks react to a few different things. Of course, I always watch my 1 hour chart, but I've been watching to see how it reacts in relation to the 13 EMA. And then again, PJ gave me this dotted line think script in here as well. So at this point, I don't think I'm going to make any more trades, but I want to see how everything reacts to these indicators, and then match that up to my strategy and what I'm trying to do. Because obviously, the more confirmations we can get, the more confidence we can have in the trade, right? So, of course, NVDA is always a big one to watch. I like NVDA just mainly because this thing moves so quickly and in dollars. I mean, look at this thing came down to 685, all the way back up to 688 already. So, I mean, $3 in a matter of 3-4 minutes here. Trade 100 shares of that, $300 right there, right? So if we can start nailing NVDA on these types of moves, it'd be really, really awesome here. So, but based off the 1 hour, didn't really have much here to trade off of. So there's no actual trade there. Just remember, and this is something that I still tell myself all the time, just because you see a move after the fact doesn't necessarily mean that you should have traded it. Like, man, if only I got in there. Well, no, does it meet my strategy, right? And you can't catch every move on the market, and that's something that I'm continuing to tell myself all the time. So Taquito, I don't know. I think one of the problems that I had is that when I switch over to a paper trading account, it doesn't take over all my same charts and studies and everything else. So I'd literally have to rebuild my entire setup on the paper trading account. I don't even think that it actually can save my grids. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should talk to Thinkorswim. Speaking of, let me save this grid. But yeah, I don't think everything transfers over to the paper trading account. Because don't I have to log out and log back in? They got home screen. I'm pretty sure you have to log out, log back in. Okay, are you on Thinkorswim? Oh, okay, you're on something else. Yeah. See, my paper trading account, again, I've tried doing it before, that I'm aware of. You can't it doesn't transfer everything. I literally have to rebuild everything. What else we got? Google coming up to a line of resistance here at 145.79. No trade for me there, though. There's no reason to trade that. Again, looking at these 1 hours that literally just opened, but I want to see if there's anything telling on the candle before that I may have missed while I was gone. SPY, so you can see SPY, look at on this 3-minute chart, that think script that PJ gave me. You can see we hit that 1, 2, 3, came back on down. It looks like we're going to break through this, but this candle still has 2 minutes to close on it. Again, I'm just kind of watching at this point how these stocks kind of react. I can do mental paper trades essentially. And you can see here, like, this is what I'm talking about with the 13 EMA, right? We break below it, come back, retest, come on down. We're just riding this 13 EMA down. But in relationship to one of my trade setups, there's nothing here on my trade setup right now. So no reason to trade. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep studying this stuff. AMD coming up to a resistance level. But man, SPY, after its huge dump on the SPY, we've moved another $3 to the upside. We're going to get this break on AMD here. Where's AMD in relationship to the 200? So we are over on the 200. I kind of wonder, remember if you guys were here, I talked about this hammer candle right here, but it wasn't quite my hammer candle, but you can see we've made almost a $3 move from that. That's why I love hammers and shooting stars. I love them. Two of my favorite candlesticks. That's the 3 minute. I switched these charts around. I got to remind myself I put 3, 5, 30, and 1 hour now. I removed my my bids and ask one, which again, oh, I forgot to check the scanner at the hour. Mini signals. Mini signals? Oh man, what do you have? Look back and see, what did they look like, and what happened to them? That's okay. At least let's take a look and see what they said. BA 30 minute and 60. So remember I said BA 60 minute this morning? Look at that. That did hold up. Look at that. So it came back, retested this previous day high low number. We retested that back on the upside. Look at that. We made a $4 move, $3 move roughly from that point. That's an awesome move, all based off this hammer candle. And then at 13, where? This isn't a hammer candle. I don't categorize this as a hammer candle. I want the hammer candle to be below lows. So here you can see it's below everything else. That's a hammer. This is, I don't categorize hammers here in the middle of the chart. We don't care about it yet. Okay. Taylor Trader, I never thought I would say this, but down 55,000 on NVDA. As everyone knows, I did puts last month and I just got in more puts on Friday. I am down $410,000 since December, which does take my gains away from last year. That's the bad news. The good news is once NVDA gets its main crack, this should pay me out more than $1 million. I have $350,000 invested right now in puts. What? Oh. Taylor Trader is a hell of a trader. Oh, I mean, Taylor Trader is a hell of a trader. But I just want to throw up at the thought of that. Oh my gosh. Disgusting. Oh. My heart hurts. $410,000. He's got $350,000 invested in NVDA to come down. Holy. I mean, that is just massive. He said that took away all of his profits from last year. Last year, all of them. AK again. Dude, AK, I can't even tell you, man. AK's been so supportive of me. So supportive of me. You know, again, he has tons of dogs and Great Danes. I'm saying that because he was just over in Dex Lobby talking about it. Yeah. Great guy. His Dane, he had a Dane that passed away 2-3 months ago. So, I mean, it's heart-wrenching, man. 11-year-old Dane. First of all, that's a great life for a Dane. Oh, meta. Look at that. I kind of wondered with these candles closing as they did. I wondered what they were going to do here, but dang. Look at that dump below the 13 EMA. We tried to retest here, stayed below. Wow, there's no way that candle did that, did it? Did that candle truly do that? What? Don't remember the name. Oh, interesting. Wait, did this candle really go from 462.85 down to 460.34 and then pop right back up? Or is something wrong with the charts? I know sometimes the charts get wrong, but that's crazy. But you can see there's just a lot of chop in here. Just a lot of chop. I have to remind myself not to trade this. But if this can get back below... Let me delete that. I don't want that. If this thing can get back below... Gosh dang it. This level right here. Let's create an alert. At or below on Meta. We could continue to go short here. I don't remember the name of the candles at the top. The candle apparently did that. Oh, interesting. Interesting. And I'll update my win percentage and stuff at the end of the day. I know I added my 2 trades from earlier. I'm a trader. I'm a non-stop sob machine for about 7 days. Dude, AK. All right, let's see. Is there anything? Let's see. Is there anything above high a day or anything? This one's giving me my 5200 strat. No, nothing there. Nothing there. So how's BA doing? Disney. I've been watching Disney for a few days. Look at this thing is just stained between this white and orange line. It doesn't want to go one way or another. It is just choppiness in between there. Just complete chop between there. Man, look at Meta go. How's Tesla looking? Oh shoot, I missed that. Oh, come on, charts. What are we doing here? What just happened? Sorry, my charts are going haywire. Oh, man, look at... I was so close on this entry number. Ah, suck. I was so close to that. Oh, no! Oh, man. Right there on Tesla. Let's wait and see if this... Oh, I mean, hard rejection at that. Hard rejection at this yellow line. I was just a little bit too high. 182.50. Because I figured we could pop up just a little bit above this blue line is what I was kind of predicting. That's why, you know, yellow line is my entries for me. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, look at that rejection. Yeah, I think the stock market did something weird on this time. Look at that rejection. I am resisting FOMOing in on this right now. Everything in me is resisting. I gotta stay disciplined. Do not FOMO into that, John. Do not do it. Oh man. So where should I have corrected this yellow line? I based it off the 1 hour. But again, I guess just like the 50 whole number should have been it. I guess right below that body. Because that's 53. Where did we go to? We went to 58. Wow. Be up $1 on this right now. I think this thing is still going to go. This candle is messed up. There's no way that happened. So that's messing with my candlesticks right now. So this did close below the 13 EMA. That did close below the 13. So I'm kind of watching that to see, again, how that reacts to that 13 EMA. Same thing with this 5 minute. We're going to close on that right now. Part of me just wants to scalp this. Don't do it, John. Resist. Don't FOMO into this. Just watch it. Just watch it. We come over here. So this is what I'm watching, you guys. So it actually shows on the 5 minute that we closed above it. The other one I'm trying to keep an eye on is Microsoft too. Microsoft as well, because if it can come... No, I'm sorry, Meta. My apologies, Meta. If Meta can break this line right here, we could continue to the short side. Bodies there. I mean, we're right at a level of hold on, let's see, studies. Right at a level of resistance, guys. Support, I'm sorry. Support and resistance. Right here. Yep. That line is exactly where my line is. I think I'm more intrigued on this one because there's a possible entry. Tesla, I wouldn't enter where we're at right now. Meta, watch the 460. I agree with him. I agree 100%. 460 crack, you guys. If we can get a 460 crack here, which again, I am totally with AK on this one. So this is what I would do in the past. I would jump in right now anticipating this move, but you cannot anticipate. Don't anticipate this. It has to break. Get rid of that. Not liking this chart. $460, guys. Watch 460. AK and I are on the same page. Him and I are watching the exact same stock. Want to actually go over, is he live right now? Is AK live? Let's see. Watching it, watch it. Watch. I'm watching it. Watch Meta, guys. Under 460. Do not trade this until it hits 460. Trying to see if AK is live right now. I wonder, can I do like sell? No, I can't do one because I need to enter this as a stop, right? So if I like go 1 and then I can do like sell, edit. I'm just curious about this. So if I go, oh no, because I want to actually, but if I put a stop 460, it would enter me as I go down, right? See how this is just hung up right here at 460, 460.50 or so. Again, break this. Come on. So you want it to hit 461.20 for an entry? I prefer to go up. Oh, you want it to go up. Come on. I'm going to go 100 shares here if this does break 460. I was originally going to go 200. Go up from there for entry short, only if it shows rejection. I'm going to go 100 shares short if we break 460. But right now, this is currently holding up. You can see how many times we've bounced off it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Too many to count, let's put it that way. So if we do break this, I've got 450, 460 as this line right here. Taquito, what do you do on the weekends? Oh, we getting this bounce off here? Put sell stop at $4.59, like probably millions of people do. $4.59. $459? What are you saying? $4.59. So at $4.59, you put a sell stop. So as soon as it blows through $4.59, it puts your order in. Is that how that works? I haven't done orders like that. Okay, gotcha. You see, this is why you don't jump in and just anticipate. Because look at, we're getting that bounce. It's really fast. I want to look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla's just hanging out in that area. We missed that rejection, though, at 182.53. I had that just a little bit higher. Should reject there. If it doesn't reject there, it continues up. At the one, you said what, 461.39? Is that what you said? 461.20. Yeah, we're right at 461.20. And you got the 13 EMA, though. Ooh. Apple. I've been waiting for Apple to show me a reversal. I took a loss on Apple earlier today. I took a loss on it. So you got this kind of little miniature downtrend right here. Then you have this uptrend right here. What's funny is this green line, pretty sure, 88, yep, 36. Yeah, this is right at my stop loss right here. And we blew through it. I don't know how AK gets away with it. He plays music. Hey, you can see Google got rejected there. But again, it's in the middle of the chart. I gotta remind myself, don't trade in the middle of the chart. We trade above and below. Where are we at? 34. Taquito, anything on 1 hour or 30-minute charts for shooting stars, I'm going to head over to my flex grid here. Head over to my flex grid here. Man, look at that. Look at this. Red, touch this dotted line, come back down. How's NVDA? NVDA, look at that. Touch the 686. That was at what, 324? And right back on up. I love seeing these lines. Ooh, look at Apple. Look at Apple on this downtrend, you guys. Look at that. Ooh. Man. Now you got a level of resistance right here at 189, always a whole number. Always a whole number here on Apple. I'm still watching Meta on another chart over here that you guys can't see. I'm watching Apple to see how this reacts. 189. Can we blow through 189? Did you? Hold on, totally random. Did you guys see a picture of Doja Cat at the Grammys yesterday? Did you see that? I don't think I can even bring up a picture on YouTube, man. She was at the Grammys with her literally just hanging out. Just hanging out at the Grammys. Like, what is going on here? How do you go to the Grammys looking that way? That's just mind-boggling. Well, on Netflix is at an area that I just got. Oh my gosh, that Doja Cat thing, that just, sorry, now I'm just thinking about that. Absolutely crazy. Meta, still waiting for Meta on this. Man. AK is always talking music over in his stream. Always talking music, man. But again, like, we stream on YouTube, so like YouTube like kicks you off with like copyright music and stuff. So it's interesting that he like doesn't get in trouble for that. Let's see. We don't need to force any trade unless something's just like, holy crap, let's take that. I'm going to watch for another 20 minutes to see if I get any kind of candle that I like. But outside of that, I'm up $200 on the day, so I don't want to mess this up. Right, Taquito? Up $200. There's no reason to mess this up. I'm going to eat some lunch. Man, I told you, man, I love the blue chips. I think they're more predictable on their moves. I just really want to do some longer holds, you know? Okay, how is Meta doing? I had short scalp Meta from 461.20 to 460.75, and you said that, so 620. I mean, yeah, look at that. Hit right at here on this 5-minute candle. Boop, boop. No. I'm not doing it now. No, unless something just screams at me, I'm not going to force a trade. I'm up $200 today. I'm good with that. I said I'm going to give this about 20 more minutes. And which one, this 13 EMA, what holds up better, the 3-minute or the 5-minute? Kind of watching, see which one it reacts to better. But I have the alert on Meta. I want this to break 460 before I trade it. So there's no trade on it right now. I missed this Tesla entry. Son of a biscuit eater. Criteria for better is I want a 1-hour candle to break above a different 1-hour candle or below. So above or below. So like here, you see like on Microsoft, nothing's broke below this, and obviously it's not going to get above, right? So AMD, at this point, from this 1-hour candle, nothing's broke below this. We're kind of in this middle area. Amazon, same thing. We're just stuck in between this red candle, nothing to trade. Sorry, what about 13 EMA? I was asking which one holds up better, the 13 EMA on the 3-minute or the 5-minute? You're saying they both hold up, the same, just different time frames. Okay, that's good. But see, again, huge red candle. This is where you trade Netflix here, right? Again, still didn't get quite the move I was looking, because I thought we'd come back and then come back down. We didn't get that. And that's okay. We're not going to win every single trade. But even the SPY here, huge red candle. Okay, look at, we've come right back up to this 493.38, the top of these candles, and we're right back down to 492.86. So if you want to talk about scalps, Taquito, here's a scalp right here. That would have been a good scalp right there. That's kind of why I was looking at Tesla, because Tesla, look at huge red candle. That's why I wanted to put an entry at this blue line. I wanted the entry here, which was between these candles. Look at, that's exactly what we touched, and come on back down. That's why I like the Tesla trade here, because I wanted to see if we get a rejection off that. And again, NVDA, just in between everything. I want to see things break above or below. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Got 15 minutes left, you guys. I want to see if I get anything. Okay, look at, nothing there. No break. We would literally have to break those candles right there. Even though you can see on Google, man, look at that hit right there, back on down. But I have to tell myself to avoid these areas. I really do. You can see the bounce off this Thursday high a day though. See these levels. And that's where, like, do I take these quick scalps again? So here, do I just put my buy, have my short, my stop sell, and just see if it bounces? It's interesting. They're saying all Vegas. AK wants to do like a seminar thing in Vegas or Miami or something. What would you do? I'd say Miami. I don't know. Vegas is. I don't know. Vegas to me isn't that special. I may be in the minority on that one. This candle, again, is screwing me up because that's not accurate. There's no way this candle wick is accurate. That's screwing me up. Let's see here. So Meta's at this 13. You see the difference though on the 3-minute versus the 5-minute. Oops, zoom out here. I think I like this the 5-minute 13 EMA better than the 3-minute. But see right here on this 1 hour candle, Taquito, you're talking about this. If we close below this level here on Meta, right there essentially, if we can close below, this is the same level you're talking about though, right? Oh no, you were talking about 460, 120. If we can close below 462.10, then I think, I mean legit, I actually think we can take an entry right at that same spot. Let's see, where are we at here? 63. Just trying to see if there's a level here that would be a good entry. 462.39. 462.39, okay? So 462.39 would be my entry. What in the heezy? Oh, I wasn't on my this. 462, we'll say 37, just to be safe, because I've been missing way too many things by since. I do like this one because the 1 hour candle closed, okay? But we have to close below this red line. If we're way down here, where's the entry? Do we just enter at the 13 EMA? We can scale in. You know, we got 13 minutes on this though, so we got 10 minutes. Where's BA at? Okay, so same thing. You see this? 1 hour crack up here. Okay, it went above this level, but didn't quite do what we were looking for. Let's see though. Let's so that was from 10 to 11. So 10 to 11 right here. So that ended right there at 11. So you'd be looking for some kind of a retest and then continuation. So where is that? This green line. So you would enter it at 206. Yeah, that'd be too quick of a scalp. Again, I want a little bit longer hold there. Didn't give it. You can see everything though in the middle here is just chopped now. Come on, Meta. I am liking Meta. There's a part of me that really likes this trade, and then the other part's just like, John, don't screw up your profits from today. So I watched the movie The Beehive or The Beekeeper yesterday with Jason Statham. I love Jason Statham. I know a lot of his movies are like the same type thing. It's action, kick everyone's butt, I'm wearing a suit type thing. I don't really care. I just love watching him. and it was pretty solid. He's a beekeeper, which is like a complete underground group of people for the government that can do whatever they want, essentially. And he pretty much goes and kills everybody. That's fun. Fun movie. I got 10 minutes on this close. What's Baba? Baba's pulling up on my... earnings today. I posted this. Earnings today. Remind me. Where are we at on earnings? Who has earnings? Is Baba today? McDonald's is today. Baba is Wednesday. Okay. Baba earnings on Wednesday, you guys. But I wonder if Baba's just going to look at it right up this 13 EMA. I wonder if it's going to kind of get that right up until earnings and then just crash. Yeah, thank you, PJ. Yeah, I just pulled up my phone. Thanks for posting in here, though. Yeah, so Baba's on a Wednesday. Today, I think the only main one... McDonald's did it before the open. So what did McDonald's do? I think it's MCD, right? Okay, so it dumped. Geez, from 300 down to 283. Man, I totally missed that. Man, I didn't see that it was at the open. That's my bad. Shoot. Look at that. Red, red, red. But look at that candle there. So you see, now on that candle, we're kind of getting this pop up. At some point, it's got to reverse, right? Where's the... And you can see right here, look all the way back to here. Right there. And look at exactly that level. Look exactly where we bounced off of that zone. That's why past chart history, man, you got triple bottom. Is there such thing as a triple bottom taquito? You're the chart pattern person like that. I don't really follow that. PJ, is there such thing? Interesting on McDonald's. McDonald's could come back up to VWAP here. Everything is just chilling. Yeah. I agree. We could. Oh, look at Meta. I don't know. You guys, I think I need to call it too because I'm going to be tempted to take a trade and I really, really, really don't want to take a loss. I'm up today $204.74. So I think let's just take our profits today. Be done. I unfortunately took a $100 loss on Apple earlier, but I followed my trading strategy. I was proud of that. I'm okay with losing that. Everything fit my criteria, so that's okay. I'm not going to win them all. Just so happens, I swear, though, every 5,200 trade that I enter, I lose, and all the ones I don't enter go on big runs. So it's okay. I'm going to keep on entering them. I'm going to catch one of those big runs on that dang trade strategy, and I'll be good. So, all right, guys, I'm going to get out of here before I get tempted, and I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.